Hi, our next question is, show that the equations have no solution if A equal to B equal to C equal to 1 and have many solutions if A equal to B by 2 equal to C equal to 1. First we have to write the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB is matrix 1, 1, 1, A. 1, 1, 1, A. Then 3, 4, 5, B. Now 2, 3, 4, C. Now we have to reduce this augmented matrix AB into upper triangular form or row reduced echelon form. That is, we have to make these two elements as 0, which is equivalent to, first row is a fixed row, 1, 1, 1, A. We have to make this 3 as 0 by using the operation. R2 becomes R2 minus 3 times R1. That is 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, B minus 3A. Now this 2 can be made into 0 by using the operation. R3 becomes R3 minus 2 times R1. That is 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. Then C minus 2 times A. Now we have to make this 1 as 0 by using the operation. Here the first two rows become fixed. 0, 1, 2, B minus 3A. Now this 1 will be made into 0 by using the operation. R3 becomes R3 minus R2. That is 0, 0, 0. Here it is C minus 2A minus B plus 3A. That is C minus B plus A. C minus B plus A. The augmented matrix AB is reduced into row reduced echelon form or in the upper triangular form. Now we have to find the first question, that is, have no solution if A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. That is, applying by A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, the augmented matrix AB becomes by putting A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. The augmented matrix AB becomes 1, 1, 1. It is A, also 1. Also 0, 1, 2. Here B minus 3A, that is 1 minus 3, minus 2. Then 0, 0, 0. 1 minus 1 plus 1. That is 1. If A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, the augmented matrix will be like this. What about the rank of AB? Here rank of AB is 3. Rank of AB is the rank of this whole matrix, which is 3. What of rank of A? Rank of A is rank of this matrix, that is 2. Here rank of AB not equal to rank of A. Here rank of AB not equal to rank of A. Therefore, system is inconsistent and has no solution. The system is inconsistent and has no solution. That is, if A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, rank of AB becomes 3 and rank of A becomes 2. Therefore, rank of AB not equal to rank of A. That is, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Now, what about the second question? Our second question is, by applying A equal to, second question is, A equal to B by 2 equal to C equal to 1. That is, by applying A equal to 1, B equal to 2, also C equal to 1. A equal to 1, C equal to 1, but B by 2 equal to 1 means B equal to 2. That is, augmented matrix AB becomes 1, 1, 1. Here A is 1. Here 0, 1, 2. B minus 3, B is 2. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then 0, 0, 0. Here C 1, B 2, A 1. That is 2 minus 2, 0. Here what about rank of A? Rank of A is 2. Also rank of AB is 2. Here rank of AB is the rank of this whole matrix, which is equal to 2. Also what about rank of A? Rank of A is the rank of this matrix, that is rank of this matrix also 2. But number of unknowns is 3, that is X, Y and Z. Number of unknowns is 3. That is rank of A equal to rank of AB. Therefore, our system is consistent and has solution. But it is less than the number of unknowns. Therefore, the system will have infinite number of solution. Here, rank of A equal to true, rank of AB equal to 2, but less than number of unknowns. But less than the number of unknowns. Therefore, the system is consistent and has solution. But the solution is infinite number of solution. Therefore, infinite number of solution or one parameter family of curve or one parameter family of solutions. Infinite number of solutions or one parameter family of solutions or one parameter family of curves. Now what about the solutions? Write it into equation form, that is x plus y plus z equal to 1. Then this is for y plus 2z equal to minus 1. Here number of unknowns 3. Number of equations 2. Therefore we have to choose 3 minus 2 equal to 1 variable as t. Here number of unknowns. Number of unknowns 3. Number of equations 2. Therefore, we have to choose this 3 minus 2 equal to 1 variable as t. Either we have to choose this y equal to t or z equal to t. I am choosing y equal to t. Now it is easier to make z equal to t. I am choosing z equal to t. That is y equal to minus 1 minus 2z. That is y equal to minus 1 minus 2t. Also what about x? X equal to 1 minus y minus z. Here 1 minus y is minus 1 minus 2t. Z is t. That is 1 minus minus 1. 2 plus 2t minus t, t. That is x equal to 2 plus t. Here the values of are z equal to t, y equal to minus 1 minus 2t, x equal to 2 plus t. That is, the system has infinite number of solutions or one parameter family of curve or one parameter family of solutions. Okay.